Anvil data grids retrieve data directly from your IBM I database. You can display data from transactional databases, data warehouses, and OLAP data cubes. Data grids can be created very quickly, and drill down functions are built into the interface. Here we show a sales summary by distribution center. The options selector is configured to show all available drill down options. In this example, I will drill into sales by item category for a distribution center. By the way, while making these videos, all actions are real-time and no editing is done. You can see how quickly the system responds to your requests for data. From this display, I can further drill and show item sales for a category within a distribution center. Navigating between levels of detail is facilitated by using the browser back and forward buttons. Anvil can be even configured to show detail along with summary data. Filters specific to your data are easily created and added to the grid views. Displaying data from your dimension tables, time-specific selectors, down to specific dates have already been created. Contact us to try Anvil on your machine today.